Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify radon risk with EPA Map, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying radon risk using the EPA Map, open your web browser. Type EPA Radon Zone Map into the search bar. Click on the official EPA link that appears in the search results. Once on the EPA website, locate the section dedicated to radon. You should see an option to view the radon zoning map. Click on this option to access the interactive map. After the map loads, look for the search bar within the interface. Enter your state or specific address in the search bar. Hit enter to view the radon risk level for your area. The map will display different zones, labeled as Zone 1, Zone 2, or Zone 3. Zone 1 indicates the highest radon potential. Zone 2 represents a moderate level of radon risk. Zone 3 shows lower radon potential. Take note of the zone your area falls under. For more detailed information, click on your specific area on the map. This will provide additional data regarding radon levels in your zip code. Consider downloading the PDF resources available for your state. These resources often include radon testing recommendations and guidelines. If you are in a high-risk zone, it may be wise to test your home for radon. You can find testing kits linked on the EPA website. Once you have a kit, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. After testing, send your samples to a certified lab as directed. Compare your results against the EPA's action level of 4.0 pci/L. If your levels are at or above this threshold, take action to reduce radon. Consult additional resources for radon mitigation options. Staying informed about radon levels is crucial for health and safety. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.